Tired of wobbly bits and lost tools? Discover how the DEWALT FlexTorq 40-piece set solves it all. Frustration with low-quality bits. Ever been in the middle of a project, only to have your screwdriver bit slip, wobble, or wear out halfway through? It's an all-too familiar issue. Cheap bits that don't fit properly or break under pressure, leaving you stuck and wasting precious time. You know it's not just an inconvenience, but a productivity killer. Whether you're building furniture, fixing appliances, or doing home repairs, your tools need to keep up. The frustration mounts when bits constantly slip or break, and before you know it, you've spent more time searching for new bits than actually completing your project. Durability and precision in every turn. Imagine if you could use a set of bits that not only fit perfectly, but also handled the most demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. Enter the DEWALT FlexTorq 40-piece impact-ready set. Built with an extended flex torque zone, this set is designed to transfer maximum torque, reducing cam out and preventing the dreaded slippage. The bits are CNC machined for a precise fit, ensuring that they lock into place and stay there. Finally, the solution to frustration. Durable, high-performance bits that don't give up when you need them the most, whether you're using a standard drill or an impact driver. The ToughCase Plus storage system. One problem often overlooked is the organization of your bits. A cluttered toolbox or scattered bits in a drawer makes it harder to find what you need quickly, wasting valuable time. But with the DEWALT ToughCase Plus system, this issue is solved. This connectable, customizable case optimizes storage, keeping your bits neatly arranged and easy to access. The patented bit bar design allows you to quickly remove and replace bits without hassle. The clear lid provides a full view, so you can easily spot the right piece without rummaging around. Say goodbye to disorganization and hello to fast, efficient storage. Magnetic screw lock and FlexTorq technology. If you're tired of bits that wobble, slip, or break at the worst times, the DEWALT FlexTorq set's magnetic screw lock sleeve is the answer. This innovative feature ensures that the bits stay firmly in place, reducing wobbling and preventing frustrating drops. Whether you're working on a delicate task or a heavy-duty project, these bits deliver the performance you need. Plus, the FlexTorq technology allows the bits to flex up to 15 degrees, making them perfect for high-torque applications. This combination of magnetic lock and flexible torque means fewer mistakes and smoother work, saving you time and effort on every job. Unbeatable quality, convenience, and longevity. With DEWALT's FlexTorq 40-piece set, you can finally stop worrying about bits that wear out too quickly or a disorganized toolbox. This set is built to last with precision-engineered bits that offer superior durability and strength. The magnetic screw lock and FlexTorq technology provide the ultimate performance, while the ToughCase Plus keeps everything secure and organized. The solution is simple. One set that addresses all your bit problems, no more wasted time, no more dropped bits, and no more frustration. This DEWALT set isn't just an investment in tools, it's an investment in your productivity, making every job easier and faster than ever before.